Hello, in this lab, we're going to be working on lab 10.5.6, which is to configure network security appliance access. So you are the security analyst for a small corporate network. You are currently using pfSense as your security appliance. In this lab, your task is to complete the following using Google Chrome. Sign into 192.c is a username admin. Okay, change the password for the default pfSense account. So password equals 0. Create a new administrator user with the following parameters: username, Leon, password. Okay, so we have the details and Liam Young. Okay, so set a session timeout of 20 minutes for pfSense and disable the web configurator until lockout rule for the HTTP protocol. So I guess we'll start. This is lab 10.5.6. So let's start up. If you find this video to be too fast for you, you can always pause the video so that you'll be able to flow with me, because I'm going to be as fast as possible so that this video can be as short as possible. So let's get into this right away. We'll go to our Google Chrome. We open up Google Chrome, and then let's see, URL is 198.28.56.22. Alright, so pfSense is opened, and we have password, username and password for pfSense. So it's going to be admin pfSense, and then let's sign in. So change the password for the default pfSense account. Okay, so username, we edit this, password. This is the password I was given here, so you can just copy and paste, otherwise you can type it out. So let's include the password here again. Scroll up. Okay, create a new administrative user with the following parameter. So the username is going to be Lee Young, and password is going to be, can you guess it? Okay, so full name is going to be Leon Young, and password, full name Leon Young, group membership admin. So we're going to be under admin, and let's see, save this. Set a session timer of 20 minutes for pfSense. So go to settings, and then session timer is currently at 240, but we want to make it just 20. Okay, apply, and then disable the web configuration and the blackout rule for the HTTP. Okay, so system, advanced, and then personal, disable web configurator until lock. Okay, next side rule. This is done, so we go ahead and save, and that is it, folks. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching. I'll see you.